Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. If you want to know how you can live a healthy and happier life, be sure to check out our videos. Feel free to like and share with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. Berry and Yogurt Smoothie. A super simple 5-ingredient healthy berry yogurt smoothie. Protein packed to keep you full throughout the day. A perfect on-the-go breakfast. Smoothies are a great way to keep your diet in check during the holiday season. This is one of my favorite smoothies that I keep in constant rotation. Loaded with tons of protein to keep you full throughout the day. This smoothie is a great on-the-go breakfast or midway snack. Quick, easy and super healthy. Loaded with fiber, vitamins and protein. This smoothie is gluten-free and has only 5 ingredients. A blend of bananas, blueberries and blackberries are added to the smoothie. Greek yogurt and soy milk are added to give the smoothie tons of protein and a creamy, thick consistency. Ingredients: 3/4 cup fresh blueberries, 3/4 cup fresh blackberries, 5.3 ounce package plain Greek yogurt, 1 cup vanilla soy milk, 1 whole banana. Instructions: add all of the ingredients to a blender. Pulse for 30 seconds, stir and pulse for an additional 30 seconds. Pour into 2 glasses and serve immediately or refrigerate until ready to serve. If you like our channel, share with your friends, press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.